RC Addicts, welcome back to the channel. All right, as you can see from the description, we got ourselves a drone. First for the channel and a huge leap for the channel. You know, I keep myself on the ground, but for the year and a half, I've been debating whether I should get one of these. And I was at the big box store the other day and I turned around and there it was. So I said, you know what? Might as well. DJI Mini 2 SE. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. There's your quick start guide on that side of the box. Tells you under 249 grams, intelligent modes and quick shots, 10-kilometer video transmission, level 5 wind resistance. I guess that's up to 38 kilometers per hour. Wind speeds of 31-minute flight time per battery, I'm assuming, and an easy to use controller. Let's see. Well, I'll read it to you. Ultralight and foldable, less than 249 grams. 31-minute flight time times 2. 2.7K video, 10-kilometer HD video transmission. One-tap takeoff and landing, stable hovering, RTH. I don't know what that is. Intelligent features, quick shots, panorama, 38 kilometer per hour, level 5 wind resistance. Yep. And it says that all again in French. So you download the app from the Apple Store or the Android shop or whatever. And yeah, let's get into this thing, man. Ooh. Nothing like breaking the seal on a brand new toy. So I downloaded the Practice Fly app. I forget what it's called, but it's on the DJI store. It's a sort of a simulator, if you will, if that's what you want to call it, to familiarize myself with the controls, but I'm sure that doesn't do it justice. I'm sure I need learn a lot more than that. So we're going to pull the tab here. You guys want to pull it with me? Let's pull this tab. All right. Oh, it's got that brand new chemically injected smell, but it smells oh so good though. All right. Let's see here. There's a spot for our trash. Okay, first up out the box is everything. Let's do it this way before I drop something. All right. Ooh, that smell just got stronger. It's like almost like a Sharpie type smell, if you will. Okay. Here we are greeted with this pack. Go ahead and let's see let's open this first. What's in here? Paper. The stuffing. Okay. To keep it nice and protected. All right. That's probably a compartment to put your batteries. I don't want to get to the main event just yet. I just don't want to go stampeding to it. You know, build up a little bit of anticipation here. Got your pouch. In our pouch, a little pocket here on the side. What's that say? DJI. Some stuff in different languages. I'm sure this is our controller. We have one USB cable, maybe for file sharing or charging up your batteries. What else do we have in here? Paperwork, paperwork, paperwork. Trash. DJI store. DJI video editing app card. If you're interested in that, you got that. Safety guidelines for your 2SE. Gotta love these accordion booklets. Sarcasm. Some silica gel. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in there. Helps keep the moisture at bay, or suck it up anyway. Instructions. Japan flight safety rules. Okay, these are safety rules for Japan. All right, do we have New Zealand, Australia, DJI warranty information? Okay, no US safety rules. Wow, okay, we are no holds barred in the US, I guess, Maya. Okay, I looked. They can't say I didn't look. Quick start guide for your Mini 2 SE. I will have to give that a read after this video. Let's take a look at what's in this bag here. I know what it is. It's the controller. Very nice. Very, very nice. Ooh. It's got good weight to it. I guess that's where you charge. They're your sticks. Stick one. They stow in there so you don't lose them or break them. I think, how do we do this? Okay, I'm not going to break it, but this comes up and you can mount your phone. You got your mode switch, I guess, here. One of these is your gimbal. I think this is your gimbal that's taking your pictures. That's where you charge it. I'm trying to deploy this, but I don't want to break it. I'm going to have to look at the quick start guide to see. Hang on. Okay, seems I was doing it right. I just didn't want to break it. You just got to pull up on the tab there, and you can put your phone or tablet in. Yep. There's your port for your phone or tablet, so you can record or to it to see what your drone sees. FPV. Let's go ahead and continue opening the pouch. Okay. think we know what that is. Let's set this off to the side here. Got a cable. And in here, we have our batteries, I will assume. Or batteries and cables. I just don't want to tear the box open. There we go. All right. This black box, you got cables, some more cables, screwdriver for your prop, because you need to tighten stuff. Sorry, I don't know if I'm getting everything in frame here. I noticed this wasn't. Let's see here. Some more cables. So you got to find the appropriate cable for your needs. One battery. And spare props. Because they know your boy is going to need these. I may have to purchase some extras just to be on, have them on hand. All right, so we got that squared away. Yeah, just leave that out there. That's all that's in the pouch. You get this nifty bag to carry your stuff. Says DJI. I guess you put your drone back in there or your controller, wherever, however you want to stow it. Okay. All right. Now, the stalling is over. I know what y'all want to see. I know what y'all want to see. Put this there. This bad boy. Here we have our DJI Mini 2 SE. Go. Oh. All right. Worth the wait. Worth the wait. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these arms and whatnot unfolded. It tells you here something about the battery or something about the sticker. Discharge to activate the battery. Open the screw cover, press and hold the battery release button and remove the battery. All right. Okay, let's see, what do I... We're gonna go like that. There's your battery. Okay, depress the tab here and then you pull it out. Battery compartment. So you get two batteries. That's everything you get in the box. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here. Like so. So it clicks. Okay, so I think top arms first, looks like, and then bottom arms rotate up. That's like that. We have the protective cover from the gimbal, for the gimbal. There we go. And here we have our SE, our DJI Mini 2 SE. Ultralight, 249 grams. So it's not even with the battery in it. It's less than 250 grams. So you don't have to register it with, you know, those nosy folks, FAA, whatnot. There's space for your memory card, your SD card, and use a good quality SD card, class 10 or higher, please. Good brand, Samsung, SanDisk, something like that. And this is how you charge your batteries in here. Charge your battery in the drone. DJI Mini 2 SE. So far so good. I like. For the price of what it was, um, you get that, 2 batteries, the controller, you get a nifty travel bag. What more could you ask? Not a whole lot, I guess. Happy birthday to me. Okay, so let me do some studying, reading up on Mr. Drone here, and get the batteries charged and take you for a first flight. All right, until then, it's your local RC addict telling you get out and drive an RC. In this case, get out and fly one. All right, we'll catch you next time. God bless and peace.